Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. Now that we've seen how to add basic note sharing capabilities to both our front end and our back end, it's time to take a look at how to add user permissions to our application. So any of you who have ever worked with something like Amazon Web Services are probably familiar with this concept where different users are going to have different permissions, right? Different things that they're allowed to do on the same project. Now, in the case of our note sharing application, this is going to manifest itself as whether or not a user is allowed to view a note, whether or not they're allowed to edit it, whether or not they're allowed to share it with other users, etc. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at here today. And this is going to take us one step further than basic note sharing, right? We're going to have to come up with some concept of how to determine who's allowed to do what with which notes. So we're going to be discussing that in a lot more detail shortly. Let's jump right in.